Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the overheating issue on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So the first step that we can do that's to disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location when we are not using it, because they can easily overheat your phone without any reason. The second thing that we can do that's to open settings, then go to this tab which is named connection. Then we would need to open a tab which says more connection settings, and here we would need to disable this function which says nearby device scanning, because this function is always scanning for nearby devices even without any need, or it can easily overheat your phone. So now we can go back, and the third step that we can do that's to go to the developer options. If you don't know how to enable the developer options, you can check out the video on our channel how to do it. So here we would need to click on the search button on the right edge and enter word background. So scroll a little bit lower and you can see on the tab developer options background process limit. Click on it. And here we would need to set it for at most 2 processes. This will help to limit the background apps usage on your phone to only 2 apps. So the next step that we can do to prevent overheating, that's to stably update the software version, because it's not only giving out some new features but also fixing some bugs and lags that can easily overheat your phone. Next thing that we can do, that's to be really accurate with the brightness. So if there is no need to have the brightness on maximum, don't be scared to make it a little bit lower. It can save your phone from overheating. And also some extra tips to prevent the overheating. So tip number 1 is don't use your phone while charging, because overheat your phone while charging is the easiest thing at the world, because the charging by itself is a little bit heating the phone, and if you will start using it, it will be even worse. And the second tip is you would need to take your phone at least once a year to a service so they can clean it from dust or any dirt that can overheat your phone. For example, it will be blocking some contacts which can heat. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.